What is up, everybody? Hey, my name's Bill, aka Billy Goat. Today is Monday, January 26th, and I'm doing a voiceover on the footage that I filmed yesterday. We had a big snowstorm that stretched over 2,000 miles from Texas to New England. This is Sunday morning around 11 a.m. I went out to the garage to fire up my 1999. It's a 26-year-old DR Brush Mower that I modified with a 46-inch snow plow attachment. At this point, the snow accumulation was about 6 inches. It was 15 degrees with a wind chill of 2 degrees. And I wanted to clear as much snow as possible as the snow was beginning to switch to sleet and freezing rain. What you see here is me taking off the air filter to spray a little starter fluid into the carburetor. Unfortunately, the engine didn't want to start. Usually, I can start it up with no choke, but even with the choke, there was no go. Most likely, it's because it's so cold. This is the first time trying to crank it up while temperatures were below freezing. It's been 10 years since our last major snowstorm here in central Maryland. And those of you that have been following me know that I used to own a 2002 brush mower. And it had all the attachments, including the snow plow and even the snow blower attachment. But since we moved last year, I did end up selling it. And now I'm missing it in times like this. This brush mower here is a AT1 model, which only has 2 attachments. It had the brush cutter and also had the 46-inch mower attachment. I really didn't want to buy a separate snow blower that would pretty much just sit and collect dust most of the year, so I looked on Facebook and I found this 46-inch snow blade that's designed to put on a lawn tractor. Surprisingly, after a couple hours working on it, I was able to mount the bracket that holds the blade to the front of the mower. Here I'll give another try to start the engine. Unfortunately, I'm killing the battery trying to start this thing, and now I'm going to have to hook up the jump starter pack to get this thing started. I have 30 weight straight oil in there, which is not good either. It's pretty thick. I should have put like a 1030 in there, but this is like you say, this is really the first time that I'm starting it with freezing temperatures. All right, while I'm trying to get this thing started, I'll show you our driveway, and it's over 400 feet long. And this video here was actually recorded on December 14th of 2025. So coming from the street, our driveway comes up along the fence line here. The fence is on, I would say, the inner perimeter of the property, but we have our driveway is actually on the outside of the fence here. And as we come up, our house is actually on the right hand side here. You'll see the side of the house, which is our mud room, and then here on the you're looking at the shop. It's a 20 by 16 shop area there. And then as you circle around, this is the back side of the property, and you see the back part of the house there. And there's a double gate there that leads into that side, and then you can continue around to the back side of the house. Now, I don't necessarily have to plow or clear this side. I can come in and out from the other side, but I'm just giving you an idea how it wraps around. Now we're on a cul-de-sac, which is nice. There's one last house on the left side, but other than that, we're pretty much at the end of the street. Alright, let's give this thing another go around. I'm going to put a little bit more starter fluid in there, and the battery cables are hooked up, so hopefully this time it'll crank over. Alright, let's fast forward here a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna put the air filter back on and the filter cover. We'll let the engine warm up a couple more minutes before we head out. I'll just do a quick walk around the plow just to show you how I mounted it onto the mower. Okay, all systems are go, so let's plow some snow. My first impressions with this plow, I'm pretty impressed. You know, at this point, like you say, it was 6 inches of snow. I think if it was any deeper, snow blower, especially like a 2-stage would do really well. But other than that, it's hanging in there. Now probably I'll get a set of snow chains for the tires. That'll help give it some more traction to push the snow. So all right, I'm gonna end this video. I'll put some more footage in here along with some Billy Goat music. So enjoy, and we'll check you out in the next video. See ya.